Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Erin, and today is another tutorial of sorts. There's something in my hair. It's makeup. I don't know what it is. Don't look at it. Sorry. I was going to do a lavender look because one of you lovely subscribers of mine asked if I could do a lavender eye tutorial look kind of thing, and I was like, that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna do a lavender makeup. And because I wanted it to be different than the lavender lilac looks I've been seeing on Instagram, I kind of went in a different direction, and it ended up not being completely a lavender look. So I'm really sorry. I feel really bad about it. So this was supposed to be a lavender look. It's more like a Blurple halo eye. So I'm sorry. If you guys do want me to do a different lavender look in the future, please let me know and I will do that. This was supposed to be a lavender look. Didn't quite happen. So if you would like a full lavender look, like an actual lavender look, please let me know in the comments and I will do so. But this is the look we're doing today. So, sorry. Anyways, yeah, let's just get into the video, shall we? Okay, the eye is primed, and I have 3 palettes here. I don't know if I'm going to use all 3, but I just got them in case. I have the Neon palette from Dido Cosmetics. I have the Colored Rain Vivid Pigments palette, and then I have the Sugar Pill Pink Edition palette. So I don't know if I'm going to use all of them, but there are certain colors from each that I am leaning towards. So first, I'm going to start with the Neon palette from Dido Cosmetics, and I'm going to take the shade Azure right here. It's a seafoam green. It's beautiful. I have been dying to get my hands on this shade for the entire time I have had this palette, which has only been like 2 weeks, but you know, same thing. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the crease. Oh my god, it's just what I wanted. Okay, I'm so happy. Now I hope this look comes together. I have a vision in my head for it, but you know, that doesn't always mean anything in Erin's world. So we are doing a halo eye. I know. Shock, right? I literally complain every time about halo eyes, and then I end up doing like 12 of them. My last halo eye turned out pretty good though, and I have high-ish expectations for this look. We'll see. So tell me, how was your guys' weekend? I hope you guys had a great weekend. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys got up to. Do anything fun. What did I do this weekend? Yesterday I watched Coraline, and it was magnificent. I love Coraline. Coraline is one of my favorite movies of all time. I have a Coraline doll. There she is. Hello. I got her for Christmas last year. She's so freaking cute. And I played Episode. I do that a lot in my spare time. And watched YouTube. Is that all I did? Oh my god, my life is so boring. Okay. Yeah, just let me know what you guys did. Hopefully it's more fun than what I did. So next I'm going to take the shade Jet Set from the Colored Rain Vivid Pigments palette, and I'm going to use this to blend out the seafoam color. This is the iffy part here. I'm worried about this part. I don't know how these two colors are going to react together. I kind of swatched them on my hand and mixed them together, and I liked... Oh yeah, never mind. It's fine. Okay. I was worried. I don't know. You guys know I'm not good at color theory, so when I mix colors together, I'm kind of just... I'm just doing it. This is just kind of... Oh, this reminds me of ice cream. I ate ice cream this weekend too, guys. That was really fun. I love ice cream. Fun fact, if you guys didn't know this about me, I don't know if I've ever said this. I have a really bad sweet tooth. I love anything sugary and sweet and bad for you. But my one weakness is ice cream. I could eat ice cream every single day and never get tired. I love ice cream. It's unhealthy. I'm aware. Do I really care? No, I avoid my problems like everything else in my life. So I'm gonna take some more of the seafoam green because it's getting lost a little bit. And I'm just going to try to brighten it up and blend it into that blue, which honestly is so pretty. Oh, I wish it was just this color, but we're adding other colors. So, I don't know, I'm nervous for this purple because I'm putting down a purple and not a lavender yet because the lavender is going to go in the halo eye. But this purple I'm nervous about. So I do not have a color exactly like what I want. So I'm going to mix two colors on the lid for the outer corner. So I'm going to take the shades Grape right here and Navy right here to make a blue purple, a blurple, if you will. Yeah, let's hope this works. I'm going to use this for the outer corner. I'm getting a lot of fallout. But, oh God, I'm getting a lot of fallout. Wow. It's definitely more blue than purple or blue. Oh my God. Wow, these shadows are Fallout Central. Wow, those are bad. Okay. I mean, yeah, I think that looks like how I was wanting it to. So next I'm going to do the inner portion. And try not to get it into my cornea. These are so cute, I'm not gonna lie. I hope you guys like this look. I mean, I know all that matters is if I like it, but I do want you guys to enjoy these looks. I want you guys to feel like you could recreate them, and I never want them to be too hard or too easy. I mean, too easy would be fine. I don't mind if it's too easy. I just don't want you guys to be bored of my tutorials or feel like you can't do anything. Like you can't do them. Not that I would ever do a hard look that you guys could never recreate, because I can't even do looks like that. So it's looking a little messy, but I'm gonna keep powering through and hope that, okay, thank you big loud truck. So I'm gonna cut the halo eye now, and I'm going to use my P. Louise base in Wild Violet. It's purple and I feel like it might help when laying down the color that I want. So I'm just gonna take a wee bit of that on a flat shader brush, and I'm going to cut the halo eye. Okay, there's the cut. And I'm going to take the shade Cute from the Vivid Pigments palette by Colored Rain and hope and pray that this works the way I want it to. So, wish me luck. Okay. Okay. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, there's like fallout everywhere. It's really bad, but it's fine. So I'm gonna take that blue and purple that we mixed together to make the Blurple. I'm just going to blend it into the middle-ish area. Also, I'm thinking of adding a little bit of shimmer on top of that middle shade. And I think I might use the shade Supernova from the Sugar Pill palette. I'm just gonna take it on my finger and just a little bit like that. Ooh, I feel like this is not lavender in the slightest. I thought this was gonna be more lavender, and it's really, really, really not. So, I guess I lied. So, my bad. I really thought I was doing something. I really thought I was doing something. I guess not. I feel really bad now because I feel like this is a lie. I'm like, oh, I wanted to do a lavender look, and this is like the opposite of lavender. This is like dark purples and stuff. I thought this was gonna be more lavender than it was, okay? I'm going to do the other eye off camera and finish the rest of my face as well. And then I will show you guys the lower lash line, whatever I do with that. And then we'll be done. So I will be right back. Okay, look at this blue highlighter. Woo! It's a Kaleidos Makeup Moon Cruiser. I feel like it felt right with the Blurple look we got going on. So let's finish up the lower lash, shall we? I'm going to take the Azure shade right here, and I'm just going to put this on the lower lash line. Just because I feel like I wanted to bring the green back a little bit. I feel like we lost it a little bit on the eye, but... And then I'm going to take some of Jet Set from the Colored Rain palette, this one right here, and I'm going to blend out the Azure shade. And that's actually how I'm going to leave the lower lash, because I just want the purple to be right on top. And for the inner corner, I'm going to try something that didn't work for me last time I did it, but you know, I'm going to try it again. I'm going to take the shade Baby Doll right here from the Sugar Pill Pink Edition palette, and I'm going to try to pop that in the inner corner, and we'll see how that goes. That's cute. It's very light, so it has a blue tinge to it, to be fair. Like, it's more of a bluey, lavendery purple. Then on top of that, I'm going to take the shade Supernova, the one that's on our middle area, and just for a little extra, pop that in the inner corner as well. I think that's gonna be it for the eyes. It looks like I have a blue mustache because of the highlighter. No, that's funny. Okay, so I'm going to pop on some mascara and a lip, which I have no idea what kind of lip I want to do. I don't know if I should go bold, but I feel like the makeup's so bold that I should go, man, this purple, or this blue mustache is really kind of driving me insane. I'm gonna probably go nude because I feel like the eyes are a little much. So I'll be right back with the finished look, so hang tight. Keeping in with the blue theme, I just went with the Kaleidos Lucid Lip in Crystallized since it has some bluey reflect in there. I really like it by itself. I just think it adds like a lot to a look, and yeah. So this is the finished look. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so I actually really like how this turned out. Like I said, not what I was expecting at all. It's not what I thought was gonna come out of this look, but I actually really like this look. So I hope you guys do as well. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. You guys really liked the last one, so I hope you guys like this one as well. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. It lets me know what kind of content you enjoy from me. That way I can keep providing you with that kind of content. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. We have hit over 1,000 subscribers, guys. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I want to make a whole video talking about it and all that kind of stuff, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna just be a video where I sit down and like chit chat. Maybe I'll do my makeup, maybe I won't, we'll see. Tell me what you guys would prefer, if you'd rather me just sit down and talk, or if you would like me to do my makeup while I talk about stuff. 1,000 subscribers, my YouTube journey, I don't know, whatever you guys want to know. Leave me your questions or whatever. If you guys have questions, I don't know. Just leave me what you guys want me to talk about. I had to zoom you guys out. You guys were too close. It was weird. So yeah, just let me know in the comments down below if you want to see like a sit down video where I like answer questions or talk about... I honestly don't know, guys. Whatever you guys want to see, just let me know in the comments down below and I will do the video for you guys. And with that being said, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We can become friends and talk about makeup and horror and books and all kinds of things. I do a lot on this channel, so hopefully there's something for everyone. Oh my god, I got makeup in my hair. Are you joking me? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!